Welcome home, Jessica, and welcome to a preview of your brand new apartment. Welcome to your 2-bedroom, 2-bath, fully furnished apartment at Sunrise Riverside. Giving you a view here of the lovely kitchen, decorating this nice green and white tone, beautiful black splash. The refrigerator is quite brand new, and our cleaning staff is just cleaning it to the brand new, perfect condition. Your stovetop is a 2-burner electric and induction burner, so you have the option of both. Your door is electronic key card entry and passcode, so if you forget your key, you always have a backup to get in. Next to your entry is your circuit board, and next to that is your intercom box to call up friends when you're inviting them over. You can also call security from that box as well and ask for assistance. Here in your living room, you have a nice 40-inch flat screen Sony TV, thin style, so it has a very minimum look. And you also have your own plants and flowers that we have provided for you. They're looking very healthy and green. Going into the hallway, we're coming to the first bedroom. This is the smaller bedroom that does have a full-size bed. And it also has the built-in closets here with the green coloring that continues into the closet. We do have provided some hangers for you, and we will be providing the bed linens as you see here. You also have your brand new bed set that has arrived, and we will be setting that up for you before you move in. Next to the bed, you do have a nice desk set up there and a velvet chair, and this gets a nice view of the community here. And also you can see the river, but you can't see here, but I'll give you a sneak preview of that a little bit later. You do have recessed lighting in there, and if you want to change that painting, we can do that for you. We'll go now into the primary bedroom. In this hallway here, you do have some plants set up there. These are all live plants as well, by the way. And as we go to the window, you do have blackout curtains, and I want to show you this here. This is that river view, that just a little sneak preview here that you can see also from the living room as you're watching TV. Next to the bedside, you do have a bedside table and a lamp and your plug outlets to charge your phone. You have your makeup table here, which is really nice and convenient with that mirror there. And also with your closet, your walk-in area, that you do have a full-length mirror on the right, which I'll show you in just a moment. And here is your full bath with walk-in shower, and you also have your cabinetry here for storing your toiletries. So you can take a look at this full-length mirror here. Very nice for taking a look at yourself before you head out. Make sure you're looking just right. Also, I will note underneath the bed is extra storage space, so you'll pull out the drawers from under the bed. So this apartment gives you a lot of storage space. Your secondary bathroom is also in a fully enclosed shower. You do have the upper cabinetry as well. Thank you for choosing us, and we look forward to welcoming you into your brand new home, Jessica. Welcome to Saigon Cribs.